So today we're going to be making some bookmarks. And these are the ones I've got. A pink one, one blue one, two blue one, and three blue one. A lot of blues there. Which color should I use? Blue or pink? What do you guys think? Well, maybe I'll do pink because my clip is pink. And I really love that clip. My mom got it for me a real long time ago. I'll go with pink. Now, follow along. And don't worry if you get anything wrong. Remember, the best thing is to have fun. And if you need to pause the video, just go and pause the video. I might be a little fast, but don't try to go as fast as I can if you can't. Shape, right? Can you count how many triangles there are? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 triangles in this picture. The next step may be a little hard, so if you need a parrot, don't be scared to ask them. About my idea because it's really, really good. My idea is to make a cute face with cute eyelashes on the side. And remember, I'm going to do 3 eyelashes because that looks cute. First, I'm going to have to find the colors, right? I found one of my colors. It's going to be a dark pink, so it doesn't have the same color as this one. I need a black one. I think there's a black one hiding at the bottom. This is the black one I'm going to use. You can use markers, because I'm using markers. so cute now. Now all we have to do is add the cute old ears, or else without the ears, it wouldn't look like a bunny at all. First, cut out your white ears, then cut out your smaller ones of the color of your bunny. Mine were pink, so I'm gonna do pink. Then stick the pink ones onto the white ones that are bigger, in probably the middle. Then you're gonna stick them to the back of this one, and then you're gonna be done. Oh, that was the page I was on. It's so good I have a bookmark now, because without a bookmark, how would I read my good books? Thanks for watching out. Can't do it. Thanks for watching our video. And you can also use these bookmarks in your hands as puppets for your kids.